what I got here is 2 tailpipes and a cherry bomb glass pack, and what I'm going to be putting this on is I'm going to be putting true dual exhaust along with a set of headers on my 99 K3500. I will also be doing a catalytic converter delete, eliminating the catalytic converters, so it's going to be true dual exhaust the whole way back, true headers, and 2 cherry bomb glass packs. So if you like videos like that, go to my channel and subscribe, because this video will be coming out in the near future.